Harvest looks perfect today. Let's begin cutting the first rows.
Grain separator running smoothly. The yield looks strong.
Bin is filling fast. Time to transfer the harvest. Steady flow. Keep the trailer centered. Load balance. This batch ready for transport. Weight confirmed. Sending this harvest to the mill. Cargo secured. Ready to head to the processing mill.
Cargo secured. Ready to head to the processing mill. Fresh harvest arriving at the mill today.
Perfect alignment. Ready to release the grain.
Heading straight to the grain unloading station.
Fresh rice harvest delivery from Field Sector 3. We've arrived at the mill. Let's deliver today's harvest. Unloading dock is clear. Moving into position. Grain flow started. Hopper receiving the load. Transfer conveyor is running perfectly. The first batch is entering the processing line. Now the mill will start cleaning and sorting the rice. Grain intake looks steady. The mill is ready to start processing. Receiving bin filling perfectly. Next step is the cleaning line. Transfer system stable. Grain moving to pre-cleaning.
Feeder distributing the grain evenly across the line.
This is where raw rice begins its cleaning journey. Cleaning drum is active, removing the first debris.
Air separator removing husks and dust.
Now the mill begins the detailed sorting process. Primary screen removing the first impurities. Multi-layer screens are separating every particle size. Stone separator removing the heavier debris. Magnetic filter catching any metal particles.
Air system separating the remaining husks.
Bucket elevator lifting the rice to the milling section. Flow balanced across the milling lines.
Rice is clean and ready for milling.
Next stage begins, the rice milling process. Milling rollers are removing the husk layer now. Air separator pulling the husk away from the grain. Brown rice collected. Next step is polishing. Polishing system removing the bran coating. Polishing looks even. The grains are turning perfectly white. Bran dust extraction running smoothly. The rice looks clean and uniform. Grader separating whole rice from broken pieces.
Now the rice moves to the advanced automation systems.
This batch meets premium quality standards.
Sensors detecting broken or discolored rice. Rejected grains separated from the premium batch.
This batch meets premium quality standards. Moisture control keeps the rice fresh during storage. Final polish enhancing the grain appearance.
Cooling stage preparing the rice for final inspection. Everything looks uniform before the AI scan. Now the advanced automation systems take over. Automated scanners are checking every grain for quality. AI system confirms the grain quality is excellent. Sorting gate removing the last imperfect grains. Production flow is stable across the line. The system is distributing rice evenly to each line. All conveyors aligned for packaging. Quality confirmed. This batch is ready to pack. Packaging line starting now. Each package will contain the exact measured weight. Each bag is filling with the exact measured portion. The bags are airtight. Labels printed and verified. Packing the rice for shipment. Pallet stacking complete for this batch. Take this pallet to warehouse storage. This warehouse stores rice ready for global delivery. Shipment ready to leave the factory. And this is how modern factories produce rice from start to finish.